Good morning. Happy Ren Fair weekend. I was gonna film on my phone today, although it's just not giving the right kind of vibes. So I found this, my old camcorder. Let's try filming on this today. Stacy's house. She's feeding me like a good mom.
my little meters of that.
We're working on the wings for tomorrow.
You see my breakfast?
Brekkie?
It's like strawberry syrup and yogurt.
That's yummy though. Cheersies, girls.
Cheers!
Yes! Hey, yeah. Everyone's getting the fits on. Getting the fits on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes. Fit check. Cute.
Fit check.
I love. Can I get a fit check?
Fit check. Fit check. Fit check. Action.
Fit check, yes. Wow, who made that dress? It's so pretty.
This girl I know, Stacy inspired.
Oh my god, it is so stunning.
Yes.
Yes. Cutesies, look at us mushrooms here.
Yeah, we're here for the Ren Fair. Fuck yeah. Let me just get in your video, my bad.
Hey, you're good. Is that one?
Teeps. Hey, Teeps.
TVs.
Teeps.
Definitely not a mimic.
Not a mimic.
Oh yeah, I get stuff done. Yeah. No overnights yet. I'm not ready for him to overnight, but also.
Yeah.
Well worth it too.
Yeah.
Do you have any other parasols? Thank you.
What's that?
Do you have any other parasols?
We have umbrellas.
Okay.
She's got it.
So, is it a good market? Did you go?
I had gone before, and I kept applying, but I just never got in.
Yeah.
So, because it's really small, it's
Okay, so they have to be kind of.
Buddy! Now, the best life they ever had! Playing songs that I helped them make. And so obviously I wrote a song about me. Well, hear the mistaken night from the one beyond sight, and I walk through moonlight. A devil.
Don't cry to me.
Potion making.
Potion making.
Alright, yes. Come on in, friends. Alright. So, on Instagram.
Make a potion.
or no, my page, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, my name is Nisa. I'm the potion maker here. We make all of the potions. I make all the potions with the help of Ryan and Hans that go in our apothecary. We do it all by hand, painstakingly. And then I'm going to be running the potions class here today with you guys. So, if you have any questions, you can fun. Yeah. Well, and we usually have Hans goes and runs the line while people are waiting in line.
open the mystery box. Oh, you did get a dice set. Oh, careful, careful. Oh shit. No. The D4. Oh, we got it. Here we go. Yes. Okay. 12. Not too bad. What else we got?
That's so cute.
Love.
Yes.
I was literally thinking about buying one. Good thing I didn't.
You got one.
Lance, which does give his opponent a bit of an advantage because they've got the longer stick and can hit him first. All right, October is heading to the far end.
He's ready.
Well done.
Oh, that was so close.
Well done. Our squire is cookieing the horses at either end. We give our horses a lot of treats and a lot of rewards when they do a good job. All of our horses are trained with reward-based training. Basically, when we ask them to do something, when they do the correct thing, we will reward them. So they learn very quickly if I do it. Daryl, run. Final call to all of our actors. We have it right here.
Yes. Compliments.
Hello.
Oh, what a
You have
pretty
to
horse.
send me like my name.
Does he?
Thank you, so I would love a drink, but you're a lifesaver. You guys will have to pardon me one moment. I'm about to be so... Who was involved with this group. And she invited me out to the farm, and I was scared of horses, like I wouldn't get within 6 feet. Oh wow! And then we worked on it for like 5 or 6 years, just getting used to them and learning who they were and getting over myself, because like, yeah, they can be scary, but they're amazing. Yes. And that's how we got here. So we've been working on it since I started riding in 2018, 2017. Wow. All right, sweetheart. There we go. I need more hand.
That's all right.
Thank you, Dee. Sorry about the water bottle.
I got it.
I thought it was secure, but it super was not.
I took a chunk out of my mask.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Thank you. You got one there too?
Yes, thank you.
All right. Good girl.
Okay, guys, how we feeling?
I had so much fun and I'm so broke.
It was your first Ren Fair.
It was my first Ren Fair and I had so much fun and I'm so broke. 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
I got trinkets, I got dice, I got compliments.
Compliments? I got compliments.
I got compliments! Best things in life are free.
Yes,
Highly
truly.
recommend. Highly recommend. So much fun.
Yeah.
Hot.
Are you taking your contacts
Yeah, you
out?
I want to
was
just
so
like
good.
itch my face, but I can't.
I know, my lashes on my eyes are like, I'm ready to rip them off.
Taking off that little waist cincher belt thing, whoo!
Very good at the end of the day.
That felt very nice.
It's my favorite part.
It felt
Besides
very
from the
nice.
actual Ren Fair.
Yeah, it was
How we
very
feeling,
nice.
Stacey?
We
Glasses are vibing. Ren Fair! Okay, then I don't know what I was gonna say there.
Sorry. I wish I can come tomorrow.
You can come, just call in sick.
I have to open the store at 8 a.m.
Just call in sick.
I have to
it's
be a
fine.
productive adult. I'll be here in spirit.
Yes, you'll be here in spirit.
In Whimsy Mushroom Spirit.
Whimsy.
Whimsy Mushroom Spirit.
All right, on to day 2. Transition time.
Oh man, I miss that shit. I used to do that. I
Really?
was one of those guys. You used to do that? I mean, I
We got the boys today.
But
Fit check, boys. Yeah. We're back at it today. Excited to see.
Hey, we're fixing this figure out now. Everyone else that comes by, they know what to do. Done.
Cheers! Well, the wings came off. It's too damn hot.
you look at it, you're like, oh. I'm like, good God, we're only like maybe.
Feel free to open those up, guys. Talk about it. Yeah. Try one on each side. I'm gonna smell all of them before I try one.
Thanks very much.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I just have to stop.
I don't know if I can.
Actually, that's one of those in my basement.
Oh, I'm so good. I'm so good. Oh, please.
Yay!
I learned.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Now we need this.
Oh my god!
What's 5% of 600? Easier. I love the man.
I'll do one of these.
You want one of those too?
No, let's just do one of these. I'll do this one.
Sure, not a problem. Yeah, I'm 60. What's fine for you?
Oh, you got your reel back.
I'll just take the...
George, can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, absolutely.
We want to go to Scandinavia.
So I get my project.
Have you ever been in contact with the Icelandic Society?
I haven't.
There's your time. Guys, let's give him a huzzah. 1, 2, 3.
Huzzah!
You can see a little bit of strategy picking up here right now. And away they go. All is possible. You can see the charger by Alistair. Aiko with a punching shield to Alistair's gut. A little bit of a grapple from
Oh my god.
Aiko to the ground. Yeah, that's a good solid swat. And that is allowed in Boo Heart 3-on-3. Although it's 3-on-2 right now. 1 Warhorse down. 3 Reavers still up. Oh, now they will push hard up against that list. That list can be both enemy and friend when you're trying to stay on your feet. Because that's what you have to do, is stay on your feet to stay in the fight. Alright, we get Alistair tied up there.
I've been making strawberries syrup out of like cutting the tops off strawberries, putting them in a jar, and then they last longer. But then you put the tops in a jar with like a sugar or a sweetener.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
And then you just let it sit on your pan for a couple days.
It's so easy. I love that kind of stuff.
We're doing the grills.